So we're just arriving back at the property in Abergele. Well, it's just outside Abergele. This is our house renovation and extension project. There's a few videos and a few clips on here showing you what it was before and how we achieved this result. The job isn't fully finished yet, as the client's taking on the decoration and the final finishings, but our jobs here are pretty much done. So please take this time and enjoy the video and let us know what you think. The views here are absolutely amazing, especially on a clear summer's day and even on a clear winter's day. The videos and the pictures just don't do it justice. Here is the side elevation of the property with some nice bifold doors, which will then open out onto a nice paved patio area with a proposed glass balustrade around it, which will be absolutely lovely. Here I have inserted a picture of the render just pretty much falling off. There was a few tough bits, but it all needed to come off to give a smooth surface ready for the rendering. We have some drone footage here. It's not the best, as this was only my second or third time using the drone, and also we were restricted with the overhead power cables, so we could only do so much. This roof project was completed in April, and when we were on it, it was very windy, back end of March to April. David and Avril, the clients on this project, have some great plans and ideas to landscape this property. Now let's go inside. We didn't do a great deal of work up here, mostly joinery second fix, a few bits and bobs. So upstairs we have a nice sized bedroom with an ensuite, some lovely views both sides. Joining onto the ensuite. Although it's a small bathroom, it's lovely. So we are back down to the main entrance. The sides of the hallway is very spacious. Now we come into the main downstairs bathroom. Here's a few pictures along the way, and it's absolutely stunning. We can't take any credit for any of the decoration, even though it looks fantastic and I want to, but the customers, David and Avril, have done an excellent job of bringing our work to life. Here's some foam footage from before we even built the extension, before we knocked through. And here it is knocked through into a lovely kitchen extension. And here are some inserted pictures along the way of how we got there. When you see an extension or a building project completed, you don't realise how much work goes into them, and it's not always pretty along the way, as there's a process just with everything. But the end result is fantastic, and it's not even fully finished yet, as there's a bit more tiling to go on, some tiling splashbacks, a bit more painting and decorating. We have also built this utility room and downstairs loo with a pocket sliding door. This room throughout the process has pretty much been used as the storage room, as it's quite a large room. This will though be the living room. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe, like, comment, let us know what you think.